wear the bikini, I was totally off water, and in fact on coffee too. Like I drank one big cup of coffee, black coffee, to make sure the water drains out of my body. My favorite form of exercise, in fact something that I recommend to everyone, is play a certain type of sport. You need to get involved in the workout that you do. I don't like gym at all. In fact, I detest it. So I feel workout will affect your body only if you enjoy it. And sport, I think, makes you feel fully involved in your workout. You're not only using your body physically, but you're actually involved mentally. So that really helps you to see some drastic effect in lesser time. So I highly recommend everyone to get into some other type of sport. Soy chips, nachli chips. Yeah, of course, dry fruits are really good to munch on, and yeah, there are these dry fruit bars that you can have. Don't go for protein bars. I don't recommend that. See, I'm a very sad teetotaler, so much that I can't even get involved in social drinking, and which makes me feel really left out. I just use a wine glass, pour some water in it, and add a slice of lime so that it looks fancy and people don't question me. But yeah, I'm actually someone who just, the smell of alcohol doesn't go down well with me. So totally wrong person to ask that. Cardio any day, and that too by playing a sport. It's not, I don't do that. So I mean, I love food. I can't be like that crazy. You can't do that. So don't try to do something which you can't maintain over a period of time, because then you're gonna get back to your regular regime, and that you're gonna suddenly put on a lot of weight. So do whatever you can maintain over a longer period of time. I have never tried to diet. So the craziest thing was to give up atta, because I'm a Saudani, as I said, and I love my parathas and bhature and puris and all. So it was really difficult to give that up. I love to see myself in the mirror when a good dress fits me really well. And when a good dress doesn't fit me well, that's very demotivating. So whenever I see myself in the mirror looking really good in a very nice outfit, that gives me motivation that, for this sake, you have to keep working out, you have to keep eating healthy and looking good, because then you feel nice about wearing nice clothes. Yes, have a big glass of cold water with lime squeezed in it. It helps your body turn alkaline. So whatever acid is made, it doesn't harm your body. So you need to drink that water with lime, or have a big mug of green tea to burn as an antioxidant. So yeah, so these are the two things I follow. And thanks to
for such a long time, I've realized that I love dark chocolate right now. Chocolate is like one of my things. I have no willpower when it comes to not eating chocolate if it's in front of me. But since I don't have sugar, I can only eat dark chocolate. You give me a milk chocolate now and I'm like, I can't do this, it's too sweet for life. So yeah, so no sugar, no salt, and keep your last meal your dinner. Do I measure my protein intake? No, but my mom does. She always asks me every morning, what is your protein intake for today? And I'm like, I really don't know, Mom. And I know that she's decided that no matter what, she will add either chicken or fish or paneer or something to my diet. So she makes sure she's keeping a tab of my protein intake. Yeah, I eat every 2 hours, not even every 3 hours. I'm one of those who eats every 2 hours, and I make sure 2.5 hours I have to have something. Yeah, I like to, like I said in the beginning, portion control. But firstly, as much as I wish I could eat everything and just work out, it doesn't work. Like they say, 70% is what you eat and 30% is your fitness. Also, I think fitness, when we say working out, more than just losing weight, it really is your stamina, fitness, all of that, which is much more important, that we should actually focus on. Many times I tell myself that maybe if I just ate light today, I won't have to go to the gym. But then again, as I said, it's really important for fitness more than anything else, for building our stamina. I realized that many times we shoot 12 hours a day, and of those 12 hours, if it's a song shoot, you're literally on sometimes 3 hours of sleep, you have 8 hours of rehearsal, 12 hours of shoot. There's just, your body needs to adapt to that. And I think the best thing to do is then in your free time to build up on that stamina so that you can survive those long hours. So anyway, this is just my input. But yeah, if you're if it's all about just losing weight, then think again, because what really matters is what's in the long run. So be fit. How do I keep myself motivated? Sometimes at night on Instagram, I love seeing these Be Fit videos, and I wake up thinking I'm going to do all this tomorrow at the gym. And then when I wake up in the morning, I think, do I really want to do all that at the gym? Then I go back to those Instagram videos. And anyway, basically I think all social media, one of the good things about social media is these really cool videos that people put up. And it's great because even if you don't have a trainer, I think just going by those videos, and if you've trained before at the gym, you can really copy what they do, and they do some different exciting things which are all...
You know, as actors, and especially as women, we do have a certain standard of living.
Right.
There is a certain kind of way that we live, and it comes with a certain standard, and standard requires a lot of money. You cannot deny that. When I was disheartened to that level, when I said that I do not mind compromising on my standard of living,
Right.
but I am not going to work because it's giving me money and nothing
Right.
else. I think that breaking point, when it came, I said, let Big Boss happen, and after Big Boss, I'm not going to do anything.
That's actually a very conscious and brave decision, because I feel for an actress to take that decision is very difficult.
It's very difficult.
Because however hard it is or however easy it is to live that lifestyle and to be in public domain all the time, you have to keep up that image, you know.
But at the same time, I would also like to point out that I've never been a girl of a very extraordinary lifestyle. I mean, ऐसा नहीं है कि रोज रात को मुझे पार्टी करनी है. I have no vices. I don't drink alcohol. I don't smoke.
Right.
I hate late nights. I don't socialize.
Okay.
These are the places where.
Inspired by Twinkle Khanna, basically.
Is it okay?
They don't do late nights.
Yeah, and I mean, I have this habit for many years, being a part of a Brahmin household. Subah 6 baje उठ जाओ, and yeah, so I mean, it's in my system.
Why is it that it's been a struggle for you to get that right project?
I think mostly I am responsible, to be honest, because I don't reach out to people. I was just asked this question recently that how do you think, what do you think of your career? And I'm like, looking at the kind of lack of efforts I have, I am very glad that I've come till here, because I don't have a godfather. I have no social skills. I will not go out to any premiere or any party or socialize with people and do hello, I'm here. And yet I am here. So
That's kind of an achievement only.
It's sad achievement. I mean, I know that if I took that little effort to just come out and let people know that I exist, I believe that I can do a lot more work. So which is exactly what I have been doing now. I mean, it's still, I have to mentally prepare myself to, you know, reach out to people. But I think I'm doing that.
Now, coming to your relationship and your marriage, I mean, I've already, in the beginning only, I told you that, you know, it's looking good on you. You've been glowing. Tell me, why keep it a secret?
Is only because I'm not a kind of person who likes to hide. I'm someone who will call spade a spade. But unfortunately, relationships are very sensitive. And there has been my past relationship where I was all out about it, and I was not in the Hindi industry then. I was more predominantly working in Marathi industry, where I was seriously dating a guy and we were supposed to get married and all of that. And that didn't happen. So I would not call it jinxed. I would just say that it was not meant to be. But then, you know, the whole embarrassment that comes through with it, ki, oh, she was